Yeah, swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks. Wide harnesses, yeah, boy, we stock 'em up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon. Yeah, swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks. Wide harnesses, yeah, boy, we stock 'em up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon.
Swaps and stuff.
What up, what's happening? Man, we're at the shop. We're gonna pull apart the motor that was in Project Outback, only because we want the front cover and we want the oil pan. And looks like I'm probably gonna need a flywheel too, but I ain't tripping. So, you know what I mean? All that will bolt right onto the other engine. So we'll go ahead and flip the camera around and take a look at it. There she is. Like I said, that's that little lip plate I made. Jack this thing up a little bit. I got an engine stand. I'm gonna put it on the engine stand. Pull the harmonic balancer and motor mounts and get with it, man. Get with it. And if you look at the cylinders with the heat, look at the cylinders, man. You see the scuffing, rusting. Alright, I think this one right here. Which one? Hold on. I think this one right here. Bad bearing. See if we're done. We're gonna find out. Pull this oil pan off. It's due 5308 Gen 4, of course. So jacking up a little bit, get the bolt the cylinder. We're gonna start yanking it apart because we, like I said, some of these parts we have to put on. The one that we have ready to drop in. Alright, look. This is the motor that come out of Project Outback, right? Nasty, man. Nasty. It needed oil changes. It didn't get very good. As you can see, you know what I'm saying? Just look at the oil. Nasty. Oil. Like I said, I feel like something's up with this piston or that valve, as you can see right here. So we got the cover off. So we use this cam cover plate there. Let it finish draining oil, pour the oil pan, and then get back to what we do, man. Or as I know, once I get the oil pan, cam cover plate, oil pan, cam cover plate, or timing cover plate. Once I get the timing cover plate and motor mounts, we're ready to do it. Fix them. We're ready to swap everything over. Or drop the other motor in, I mean. Have a fun to use this pickup seat too. This motor, man, again. Remember I was saying, like it's been underwater? Look at the scale. It's rust. We didn't have that going on with the one we're going in, but what we're putting in. Look at the nastiness, man. Not saying that anything went wrong with the oil pump. It's just nasty, man. It just looks like it ain't been changed. Oil ain't been changed in a while. Or they're using cheap oil. We'll put it that way. Possibly cheap oil. We ain't gonna say oil ain't been changed in a while, but we're gonna call it cheap oil because that stuff is nasty dark. Nasty dark. But it looks like they had plenty of it in there. We'll get everything swapped over. We'll get it on the engine stand, get it ready to get it dropped in, y'all. I'll pop the oil pan of the original engine for Project Outback. The original engine, Project Outback. Good gracious. Man, I don't know what they did. I don't know. Y'all look at it and y'all tell me. Y'all tell me what happened here. What y'all think? Salvageable? Salvageable? We'll find out, man. Project Outback, y'all. Motor's in, baby. The motor is in. Now I gotta climb underneath and poke some stuff up. So that's where I'm headed. Yo, what's up, fur? What's happening, man? We got her buttoned up, man. We got her back in. I got one more bolt to put in on the backside for the transmission, and then take my lifting device out. Go ahead and do all my other stuff, man. A valve, I might have to send Ken to the back of the truck to get the stuff at the valve covers out of here. Get the valve covers. What else? Oh, intake. Valve covers, intake, and that's it, man. Yeah, man, Project Outback put together. We'll see what she do, man. We'll get a startup video hopefully soon, you know what I mean? Something I gotta take care of before then, but definitely get a startup video, yo. Oh, and boom! Look what he got on, man. Look what he got on, man.
Big monster truck. Y'all know what time it is.
Yeah, man. Me and my little man, my little dude, man.
Classic hoodie, man. It's classic.
Yeah. But yeah, we say 2 days. 2 days on pulling and putting the motor in. It took.
Talk to Louis, it's 12 hours.
Yeah. Everything
like
12 hours.
12 hours, 24 hours, but it's really 48 on this.
48 hours. And that's pulling out, putting the other motor in.
Right.
But that's not including putting the DOD in, you know, changing and cleaning up the engine, checking the engine, all that stuff. That don't count. So, and to be honest, man, this has been one heck of a job, a headache job as far as pulling this engine, man. Headache. You know, there was a couple things done. I'm not tripping. We got it back together, but there was a couple things done, and I'm like, All right, well, like I said, I'm gonna jump off here. Got anything to say?
A whole lot of LS box Chevy game. We time to get back on the box Chevys. This is Outback is good for now, but we're going back to the box Chevy.
Oh, most definitely.
Cutlasses, box Chevy.
Most definitely.
It's back to old school.
Back to the old school. You know what I mean? And now, you know, when it comes to stuff like this, we need to do it. It'd be, you know, to our own stuff. You know what I mean? I took this on as thinking I'm gonna, you know, actually I took it on as a DOD delete. How hard is that? Not very hard at all. But it ended up being a whole engine swap. As y'all seen on the other video, go back, check it out if you haven't. Man, but we sitting in here now. So I gotta find my sockets, and then I gotta climb back up in there, get that one bolt put in. Project Outback. Back together, man. My apologies for anybody that wanted to hear it run. We ain't gonna hear it run just yet. I'm gonna go run over and get this temp sensor. I forgot about it too. But yeah, appreciate you rocking with me, man. Project Outback, the Tahoe 2008. Lord, man, I want me one now after seeing this. We'll see. Yeah, man, y'all stay in the mix, man, because we got stuff coming, man. We got stuff coming, man, for real. And I appreciate the people's dropping off, you know, trusting us. Man, like this one here, you know what I mean? It's nothing major, nothing real major that I can tell, but I still got to climb underneath it twice. Transmission and a gas leak, so we'll see. Remember we was talking about some valve smack the piston. Look right there. See it? That'll be the one. Bent valve. I'm gonna smack it with a hammer, see if it'll come back up, but I doubt that it will. Okay. Piston come up, smacked him, and he never went back down. Never closed. Still salvageable though, I want to say. I don't want to say 243s, these heads are still salvageable. Have to find me another exhaust valve, I think it is. Intake valve. Find me another intake valve. What the heck is that in there? There's something in there, man. Man. I'll pull this head back off. Let me take a look at something. You see what I see? You see what I see? Same spot. Same spot. Question is, how did that end up there? Especially when it's on the, especially when it was for the coil packs. I don't know. Anyway, I'll get around to getting that out and we'll figure it out.